Good afternoon, student. This is a continuation to the last topic, that is the class Aves, and we were dealing with the classification of the class Aves. Okay, so in the morning we have already completed the 10 orders, which is classified under the superorder Neognathae. Okay, we will now study look out for the remaining 11 orders, okay, of superorder Neognathae. Okay, so the 11th order, that is for formers. Okay, it is actually CHARADRIFORMES. Okay, and this under this order, the birds which are the most common birds are the shore birds, gulls. Okay, which are universally distributed except in a polar region. Okay, and this order comprise of variety of forms, that is they will be found living in a near water, or some will be in a seashore, while some in a where there is found in a wetlands and all, for example aquatic leaves, and some are the totally aquatic one. Okay, and here the plumage is dense and firm, and the toes will be usually webbed. Okay, at least at the base, some will be webbed. Okay, in some, the base of the toes will be webbed. Okay, and more or less they will be having a long leg, that is found in a basically in a seashore birds, where strong wing, for example in girls, and some will be having only 3 toes. Okay, and the legs are far back in position. Okay, the eggs which are laid by these birds are heavily spotted. Okay, that is for use for camouflage and all. Okay, and the shore birds probe for the food in a sand, mud, and the shallow water. The example of this example of members of this order is gulls, that is lerus. The given picture is of lerus. Then jacana. Okay, the next order is columbiformes. Okay, the columbiformes usually classified or contain the members like pigeons and doves. Okay, doves, and they are distributed worldwide except in a polar region. They are herbivorous, and their sizes varies from the swan to the pigeon. Okay, and the wings are long with the pointed, and this enables the bird to make a sustained flight at a great speed. Thus they have a pointed wings, long and pointed wings. Then the beak or bills in this type of birds will be short and slender, and the base of the beak is covered by a soft skin, which will be bearing a longitudinal slit like nostril, which is called as a cilia, that is SERE. Okay, cili. And the head and the neck is small and compact, and the legs are small, and the toes which are lies in a like uh, the toes are provided with the straight tarsus, usually shorter than the toes. Okay, and here the crop is large, producing like pigeon milk. And they are monogamous, but they will be living in a group. Okay, and young are helpless, and both males, young ones are helpless. So what happens, the male and the female will nourish the young one, and with the help of this pigeon milk, which is produced by both sexes during the breeding season. Okay, and what happen, usually they will be laying 2 to 3 eggs. Both male and female will incubate that egg, and one family of this order which is extinct, that includes dodo bird. Okay, so one family of under this order columbiformes is extinct, that is that family include dodo bird. Okay, The examples are Columbia, that is a pigeons, then Teron. Okay. The next order, that is the order 13, is Cuculiformes. The Cuculiformes includes birds which are found in a tropical and subtropical, okay, regions. For example, subtropical cuckoos, then the road runners, okay, then common, they are also found in a temperate zone also, okay, and their toes are two in front and two behind, so total four, okay, and the outer toe is reversible, whereas the feet are not adapted for grasping type, okay. Their bill is moderate, tail moderate, and tail is long, okay. And many old world cuckoos are parasitic, that is the female lays eggs in the nest of the other birds like crow, okay, for incubation and rearing of the egg. So this type of uh, behavior is called as a parasitic because they will be depending on the other organism on for the nourishment of their young one, okay. And when the young one hatches of these birds, they will throw away the eggs of the other birds, okay, in which the nest, for example, if this cuckoo lays an eggs in the crow's um, nest, and crows will be having their own eggs, so that both the eggs will be resembling the same, that's why the crow does not recognize, okay. And what happens when the young one hatches from the cuckoo's egg, they will throw away the other eggs, okay. So in order to avoid competition, okay. The example of this is cuckoo, koel, okay. These are the example of Cuculiformes. the next order the next order is uh, the next order is order 14, that is uh, Psittaciformes. That is, here I have done some spelling mistake, that is the correct spelling is PSI sorry PSITTACIFORMES, okay. So this order includes parakeet, then parrots, kakapo, cockatoos, okay. And the meaning, this forms are the parrot form, okay. The order of this contain around 369 species, and which are further classified into two families, okay. And this Psittaciformes are omnivorous, and they will be basically feed on both meat and vegetation, okay. Their food consists of flowers, nuts, fruits, seeds, birds, and insects, okay. And they have a brightly colored plumage, and most of the birds bear green feathers, and many have a blue, red, and yellow colors, okay. So they will be, the plumage will be bright in color. Then they have a sturdy body, and the length of the body ranges from the 3.2 to 39 inches, that is the up to approximately 8 to 100 centimeter, okay. And a red breasted pygmy parrot reaches up to 3.3 foot, okay, that is up to 1 meter, okay. And the head is large with a short neck and curved beak, and in this case the hooked and the curved beaks are used for crack nuts and branches of the grave. The foot is stout with the four toes, and among them two are directed forward and other two are directed backward, okay. And most of the parrot species reach sexual maturity at around 12 months of age. This order is strictly monogamous and build a nest in the trees, tree hollows and termite mounds. Okay, and the wings of these birds are broad and pointed, thus provide a speedy flight. Okay, with a highly variable tail in both shape and length. Okay, so there will be the variation in the length and the shape of the tail. Okay, and some species have a short and rounded tail, while the other species have long and pointed tail. Okay, here the parental care or parents take care of their babies till their babies attain a maturity. Okay, the examples of these orders are blue and yellow macaw, then grey parrot, rose ring parakeet, yellow collared lovebirds, then the thick bill parrots are some examples of this order. Okay, the next one is the next order is Stygiformes. Okay, that is Stygia means screech owl, and it is form. Okay, uh, so this has the Stygiformes, that is Strigiformes. Okay, and this order will include the members of owls. Okay, the order of this order contain around 180 of uh, species which are further declassified into two families. Okay, which will be like including nocturnal birds and the owls found worldwide. Okay, the body ranges from the 4.7 to 330 inches and in length, and the bird will be bearing a soft texture plumage. Okay, and the beak will be hooked with the strong talons. Okay, the head is large and round with the highly flexible neck to look sideways, and the eyes are large, which will be having a rounded with directed forward. Okay, and upper eyelid is large, whereas the beak is short, hooked, and the sharp. Okay, whereas the feet contain a sharp claws, which is adapted for grasping. Whereas ear openings are large, often with the flap-like cover, whereas they build a nest in a hole of a trees and a building, and they lay white egg in the nest. The examples of this order are Bubu Bubu, that is Eurasian eagle owl, great sooty owl, northern pygmy owl, long eared owl. These are the lesser horn owl. These are the some examples of uh, order Strigiformes. Okay. The next order is Caprimulgiformes. Okay. Caprimulgiformes, that they will be include Caprimulgus means goat sucker. Okay. Night, or they are also known the night jars. Night jars. The order of the Caprimulgiformes contains around 121 species, which is classified under the 5 families. Okay, and they are found worldwide. The size of the body ranges between the 6 to 24 inches in length, whereas they will be having the full body will be covered with the soft plumage. Okay, with a small big feet and a very large mouth. Okay, whereas the bill is short, flexible with a large gap, and the wings are long and rounded around the nostril. Okay, whereas the bristles are present. Okay, they inhabit in the woods or bush and forage near ground or near, at a higher in the air, and they feeds on an insect which is caught in a flight at a night or dusk due to their nocturnal behavior. They lay eggs on the ground in a bushes. Okay. The common examples of this orders are common nightjars, then common nighthawks, then great puto, tawny frogmouth. Okay, these are the examples of order Strigiformes. The next is order. This is the example of not Strigiformes. This is the example of Caprimulgiformes. Okay. The next one is a Podiformes. A Podiformes will include or contains approximately 425 species in three families, that is Apodidae, Hemiproconidae, and Trochilidae. Okay, and this includes the birds which are grouped like swift, then tree swift, hummingbirds, which will be found throughout the world, and they are rapidly flying birds due to their forked tail that is crucial for what? Steering the flight. Okay. Then a podiformes feed on a small insects and spiders or nectar from the flower. Okay. And using a tubular protrusible tongue and a needle like beak, they can feed on the nectar of a flower because they have a long protrusible tongue which will be needle like and will be having a needle like bill. The body size is either uh, small or very small, which will be range from the 2.5 to 9.1 inches, whereas the legs are short with a very small wrist, very small feet. Okay, and the wings are pointed and the bills are small with the weak bills are small and weak in a swift, while in a hummingbird it is the slender with the long tubular tongue. Okay, so the modification of the beak and the feet takes place as per the mode of their life and habitat. Okay, then the swifts have a broad mouth with the large eyes, and they will be predominantly having a bright colored plumage which is present in a hummingbird. While swift, the body is mostly black, grey, or down or brown in color. Okay. Whereas both hummingbirds and the swift build a cup-like nest, okay, cup nest, and the matured females will lay one or two eggs. Okay, and the young hatch after days uh, after few days of incubation, and they will be produced naked and blind. The young ones will be blind or naked, and chick that develops in the nest for long time. The examples of this type of members of these birds are black Inca, copper-tailed hummingbird, magnificent hummingbird, Jamaican mango, then spotted fronted swift. These are the few examples of order Apodiformes. The next order is order Coliformes. Coliformes. Okay, and they will be including mouse, bird, colies, etc. Okay, they are the small birds and this phylum contain around 6 species which is classified into one family. Okay, that is Colididae. Okay, and they found in Africa, South America, south of the Sahara and all. Okay, and they are the commonly known as a coleus or the birds, and due to the presence of the feathers that they will be resembles like a mouse skin. Okay, the texture of their skin will be resembles like a mouse skin, and the body is covered with the soft plumage with the long pointed tails, whereas the body size range from the 11 to 14 inches, and this is approximately 15 to 28 to 36 centimeter, okay, in length, and about 45 to 55 grams in weight. Okay, and this organism, the member of this order, the body of this uh, members of order will be having gray or brown in color, and the leg will be short with the four toes which are directed forward, having sharp claws for climbing a tree. Okay, whereas the bills of the house birds are short, stubby. They are usually they will be usually wearing a crest on the head, and they will be inhabit in the forest as well as in the tree near shores and savannas. Okay, the next point of the polyphemus are the monogamous, that is monogamous, and during the breeding season they make a cup shaped twig nest. Then the food consists of the mouse, birds, fruit, then blossom, seeds, and other types of vegetation. Then next order is Trongon. Example of these orders include common like Amazon kingfisher, white-breasted kingfisher. Okay, then blue-headed bee-eaters, great hornbills, oriented hornbills, then Indian rollers. These are the some examples of the order Coraciformes. Okay, then next order is Piciformes, that is woodpeckers. Okay, and Piciformes, picus means woodpecker. Okay, or woodpecker form. So order Piciformes contain about 450 species under 71 living genera. Okay, and this includes the birds groups like jacamars, puffbirds, barbets, honey guides, then which will be found throughout the worldwide, and the size of the peciformes of species varies from the 9 to the 60 centimeter in overall length, and they inhabit in the trees of the forest, grassland, parks, and orchids. Okay, and because they are physically adapted to this type of ecosystem, they are easily live in the trees. Okay, and the most peciformes form species are insectivorous, and many feed on the insect, but some will be feeding on the fruits, nuts, and other items. Okay, and this piciformes grab insect from the cavities of the trees, which by using their long tongue, and some species use strong heavy bills to drill the holes in the hills and capture the insect from the holes by the long tongue, and they have a specialized zygodactylus feet, that is in the case where each foot of two two of the toes point forward and two other toes point backward, which makes each of these birds to and climb up and down to the tree. Okay, the examples of this is red collar woodpecker, red napped sep- sucker, sapsucker, then toco token or common token, that is rhemphastosis. Okay, these are the examples of order Passeriformis. Okay, the next one is class this Pisiformis. The next one, the order 21 is Passeriformis. The order 21, that is Passeriformis, will include a songbird or perching birds. Okay, so passer means a spar, and formis or form or row. Okay, under Passeriformis, they will be containing around 6,600 known species and more than 1,000, which are further classified into 1,400 or 1,040. Okay, families. The order of Passeriformis is the largest order of the birds, which will contain more than a half of all known birds. Okay, and they are commonly known as like a perching bird heads or as a songbirds. The foot bears the foot will be bearing, okay, four toes, among them among them, the three toes will be pointed forward and the one toe will be pointed backward. Okay, whereas they will be having a small medium sized bird, and the size ranges from about 3 to 46 inches. Okay, and the bills are greatly varied. That is, different type of bills are found in a variety. Uh, and it is a huge size, and some species it is in like needle like, will be having a needle like beak, while in other it is huge and vase like, which is designed to crack the hard shell of the seeds. The examples of this Passeriformis are flycatchers. Okay, then bulbul, uh, common starling. These are the five-tailed sunbirds. These are the examples of order Passeriformis. With this order, we have completed. Uh, we have completed the classification of class A. Quickly, we will revise like how it is helpful. Like birds belongs to the subphylum Vertebrata under the phylum Chordata, and there are more than 10,000 living bird species under the class Aves, and it consisting of constitute the important member of many ecosystem, because they are found in a diverse form of ecosystem. Okay, then these birds also they found like they are the integral part of the food web and the food chain. That is true, but these birds make the uh, helps the we consume the humans, animals consumes the or eat insects, earth, no, sorry. These birds eat insect, earths, rodents, and other small vertebrates. Okay, so what happens? The birds also offer food for human by providing egg and meat. Okay, and many birds will play an essential role in the cross pollination, which help in plant reproduction. Okay, so if you have any question regarding this topic, then please let me know. Okay.